one. Okay. I want you to try to do this. Oh, this one. Put this. Where will you put that? Wow, very good. Oh, this one. There. And this one. Very good. There. What about this one? Go try. Go try. Where will you put that? Okay. Good. Good job. Okay. Who's that? Who's that? Yeah. Wow, flower. Now we go to the next part. What is this? This one. This one? Rectangle. Oh, where will you put this one? You know, do something here. Yes, what about this one? Yes, very good, this one. This one. Okay, very good. Oh, here, this one too. Oh, can you do that? Can you do that? There. Okay. Okay, this one. Come on, come on. Okay, very good. Here, I have three. Where do you put that? Okay. Almost. What color is this? What color? Very good. Okay, here. Run. Oh, this one first. I want you to tell me what is this. What is this? This one. This one.